Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and my name is Shivani. How I learned this language without spending any money by myself. Yes, today in this video I am going to talk about how I learned this language without spending any money. Yes, you can also learn this language without paying any money, without joining any institute, without hiring any tutor or English trainer. You know, in this video, I am going to talk about my journey, and in this video I am also going to tell you why I wanted to learn this language and how I started to learn this language. And after later I will tell you what was the major reason, what was the major step which I taken to improve my spoken English. So, firstly, I would like to tell you about why I wanted to learn this language. I did my 10th or 12th from the Hindi medium, and I have completed my graduation and post graduation from the English professional course. But after completing my post graduation, I cannot even speak little bit. I can speak little bit English. Every person can speak that kind of English. After completed my graduation, I'm not feeling like I have done my post graduation, and I cannot see any changes in my life. My days passed as same as before. I lived in a village. It is a very small village. In the village, people taunt me, you what is the use of your graduation, what is the use of your post graduation, why are you not doing anything good in your life? That kind of thing came suddenly. I feel depressed to hearing that kind of thoughts about myself, about me. So I feeling that why I'm living in this world, why I am living in this lie, why I'm living like this. So, that time I really feel depressed. But when one day when I was scrolling my phone, one day when I watching my phone, I come across a video that how to learn this language. If you are, you know, if you are watching this kind of video, you feel that time motivated that you also want to learn this language, and you would be very good, little bit in little bit time. But when I watch this video, I feel that that is the thing, that that is the thing could be change my life. And when after some time I realized that that is seriously, that is the thing. When I'm learning this language, I felt very happy, and I felt very energyful person. Seems like this is the thing I want ever in my life. So I started to learn this language, and I totally immersed in learning this language. That is the journey of why I wanted to learn this language, and still I feel the same energy, same happiness to doing this thing. Not very long, I have been practice of my practicing this English for the just past 3 months. But still I feel the same energy and happiness. So now I would like to talk about some major step which I take to learn this language. you know Firstly, I did the same as the beginners do. Like, I follow the four aspects: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. But after reading book, I realized that this is the great source of learning this language, can build your vocabs, can build your pronunciation. Yes, reading book can help you a lot. And at the same time, I read, I listen a lot. I listen at least, at least I used to listen at least, 1 and 2 hours in every day. And I listen, I picked up a story according to my interest, and I just picked up two story, and entire day I listen to the same story, and at the end of the day I narrate the same story to myself. And I never skip speaking practice, in a single, I did it every day of my speaking practice. And when you are follow this kind of step, you also can be fluent in this language, you also learn this language. Trust me, if you are following these kind of things, and you give importance reading and speaking. Yes, you heard it right. If you are giving importance of reading book, you know reading book is very efficient way to learn this language. If you really want to be improve yourself, then you have to start learning, you have to start reading book. I'm not saying that you read 3 or 4 hours in a day, but every day at least you give 30 or 40 minutes in a day to reading book. So that's all about me. If you really want to learn this language, you have to follow these instructions too. So